pleasure doing business with you. Thank you very much for the heroin and the cocaine. Here's your money. All right. Abracadabra.
And I did my MD PhD at Harvard Medical School. And during that time period, I also studied polarity therapy, craniosacral therapy, and Reiki. And up here you see all my degrees, husband and father, as well as student of life. I now have a private practice in Pasadena, California, where I do physical medicine and rehabilitation. And I also work in the Los Angeles VA healthcare system, taking care of vets. The title of my talk today is The Cerebrospinal Fluid and the Fluid Nature of Consciousness. Consciousness to me is awareness, and the awareness of the universal mind and one's unity with it. Numerous artists have depicted our energetic bodies manifesting as physical forms. Many times there appears to be a swirling of energies or a vortex with a condensation or differentiation of energy from some sort of source energy with a focal point in the head or in the brain. This presentation will be on the cerebrospinal fluid as a potential conveyor of the source energy to our physical bodies. This talk was really inspired by my love for the cerebrospinal fluid and a discussion that I had with Maurizio and Zaya, the organizers of this conference, about this fluid. And they said, well, you know what Nisargadatta Maharaj said, right? And I said, no, I don't. Nisargadatta Maharaj is an Indian guru of Advaita. He said, fluids come together and the I am appears. The I am to me is that inner sense of beingness, the inner perception of existence. When I was talking to them about the cerebrospinal fluid and they brought up this quote, instantly we thought Nisargadatta may be referring to the cerebrospinal fluid. So what is the cerebrospinal fluid? Cerebrospinal fluid is clear fluid that bathes the spine and the brain. It's actually located and it occupies the ventricles in our brain. And this is a model of what the fluid-filled spaces look like in your brain. It covers the outside of the brain, and it travels down the central canal of the spinal cord, as well as the outside of the spinal cord. So all the way down the middle of your spinal cord, you actually have